Hi, good evening to everyone. I think you are doing well. So today I will create a one template in Excel, which is that production scheduler. So I will be explain each and every column in the template. So these all the project is related to for manufacturing units. So you can go through with my template, and if you have any doubt, please raise comment. And if you have any suggestion, please do the comment. I will read your comments, and I will be improve my coming sessions. So here I am going to explain each and every topics which is related to manufacturing production schedulers. So here I also use sub formula like today, conditional formula, if else, and random value, and also random between two values. So I will be explain these are formulas. So let's start for session. So what I am going to explain here, I mentioned production scheduler. So firstly we have to know what is the production scheduler. Production scheduler is the daily and weekly production plans for we are going to coming days production. So we will do the planning based on the inventory and packaging materials as well as the forecast, and how will do the manpower allocations in the plants. So here I will also explain, but later on. Today I will focus on the forecast as well as the planning. Sequence production order based on the priority and deadline. Monitor inventory level. Collaborate maintenance team for the machines as well as the operators. So here I created one template. This is the basic templates, and we will create more attractive template in this video, and I will try to explain each and every topic to you. Like industry name, manufacturing, company name, Suraj.co, department is bottling, date where you are preparing your Excel data and for production schedulers. So you can put a one date what you want as per your convenience. Here you will put the date, updated date. When you open the Excel sheet, it will be automatic updated date soon basis on the formula. Now formula is coming, and it is showing what is the current date. Now formula is basically used for when your Excel is open, it will automatically reflect today date. What is the current date, that will show in with the help of now formula. Average production capacity in day, one day how much we are producing as average. This is the quantity. You can put based on your plant and based on your requirement 1000, 500, 400, 4500 as per your convenience and your requirement. You can put here the serial number, how many product you are having, you can put, and these are the drop down. Like if I am having 15 products, so here is showing 15 products. So as per your company, you can choose your product name and create the drop down. I will guide you how can create the drop down and what is the basic steps for creation of the drop down. So here you will be learn each and everything related to the basic Excels and basic template for the manufacturing scheduler. Like I have one product whose name is grape dust, and I think we can choose one more product name. Here is the mango magic. Here mango magic, which product forecast is of 1534. Start date when we are going to start for production. Here we will put as manually. In date what are our ending date of the forecast, and based on the start date, end date, we use the net working days for the company. So like we started one day, like today we are started for production, and after 15 days that forecast we have to close. So basis on the our last day of the production, we will calculate number of net working days. In this formula we are excluded Sunday. If you want to add, then use -1. It will use for our total in production net working days with included of the Sunday. And if you have more one day leave like Saturday, so you can put one, then it will be all reflect number of days with excluded of Saturday also. But here I am putting 0 because we are given to imply only Sunday day, and these are Sunday holiday, not Saturday Sunday, so we use net work day. So number of day required for production, how much day is required for this forecast production, here is mentioned 4 days. So like if my forecast is increased like 8,000, so it is automatically become a 20 days, but like it is becoming 8 lakh, so it become 200 days. So for 80,000 production we require 200 days, but number of working days is 30 days only, because we were get the forecast 6/2/2025, means was 2 June 2024 we were get it, and my last date was 14 July 2024. We can use this is a long date also, like this, when it is a little bit easiest to know month date and day also. So number of working days is 31, and for day number of day for production is required 200. So means wise is becoming overloaded production, so it is automatically is coming overloaded production. We use the formula of F2. I click on F2, then it will be clearly shown when I applied the formula and where is applied. If G8 is greater than F8, I mean number of working days is greater than, less than number of day required, then it will be so overloaded production as norm, and if is less than, then it will be so normal production. Like here is the number of working days is 54, but number of days required for production is 4, so normal production is it is showing based on automatically calculated based the formula of the if and else. Here is only applied if. We can also apply the else formula if it will become more complicated. I mean, if we use 2 more columns for these formulas, so then we will apply if else also. So here is the number of working days is 54 based on the what we were get the for forecast production start day and what is the end date. Based on this is the calculated net working day, how many days we can get these are production. So this is a status of production capacity. Batch number, you can put batch number like what is our batch number of product we are going to produce, you can mention here. Like I mentioned 1 2 3 randomly, but you can mention like a batch number based on your actual data, but I'm not going to put here. I'm going to use formula of random between 100 and 200. So here will be get the number between 200 and 100 and between 200. I'm going to scroll it, and here I'm get all the numbers of batch. I'm going to copy and pasting only value because it's automatically changing with the second. So here 144 batch number, target quantity 100 in a day, and actual production is 1933. It is also calculated automatically based on the calculated formula. So is 1933. So balance quantity is this is 7864. It is the balance production quantity based on the forecast. Like you can see, here is my forecast, and my forecast is deducted actual production in day. Balance day for production, how much day is spending for production. I mean, we have time for production. So here this will show balance day for production. 14 days is pending, 55 days for production pending, like mango magic. So here it is. And 96 when it getting is a negative day of production, like we were get 1000 forecast of mango magic, but we failed for production. So here it will be calculated automatically minus days, how many days is going to fail for production. So if we're getting such a issue, so then it will be automatically reflect the automatically, because I use the conditional format for here. For this one, if a number is getting plus, I mean if number is getting for production, so plus, then it will be shown as normal. If your number is getting for negative, then it will be shown as red. Second is that this is based on the today formula. So today is the date. For what is the today date, and E8 is the in date. So minus in date for today date. So how much date is pending for production, it will be get automatically. So these are simple format of production scheduler, and we can create such more attractive template or project for this production scheduler. So now I'm going to create, and also for this drop down I have created 15 product name. Here is my product name. So these are product basis. Here is getting drop down. So now I'm going to create production scheduler. Project MFG MF02. Put the company name. What is your company name? Industry name. What is the industry name? Put here. Department name. And I'm requesting, if you want to such templates, please write the comment in comment section. I will send you in separately. And after that we have to create average production in a day, my like company name is suraj.com. Like you can see Mfg Excellence Hub. It is my YouTube channel name. Industry bottling, MFG manufacturing. Department bottling. Average production is 10,000. Now I'm going to create the template of production scheduler. First we have to create the product name oblique product code. Some company is using for code. It is the unique number of our product, so don't become a panic. We can use such things as normal. Second, forecast of the product. Forecast start date, end date, number of day required for production, like my product name is, wait 1 minute, my product I am giving to some formula, like here I can put the drop down list. So I am going to, for putting drop down, go in data tab, choose data validation, and here allow to list and use source. Here I put the data already product name. So now I am choosing this product name, just hit enter and drag it for some lines. I drag it and choose here, automatically here is getting the drop down. So I choose mango magic moment. Forecast is 10,000, forecast is 1,000, forecast is 1,000, and start date is like 1 July 2025, and in date is 30 July 2025. So first we have to create networking days, insert networking days, networking days is end date. Networking we use for network days formula, first start date then put the end date, automatically getting automatically will get the networking days. There is a problem with the formula, not trying to behind the character is equal then minus sign. Okay, what is going on? Wait. Think something is networking days. I will going to put long date. Okay, it's good. Networking days is networking days. Network days formula we will use here for networking days. Start date, it is also it is showing end date, and holidays I will put the 0. Just enter. Here get the networking days. I need only number, so here I will change the data type is number of days required for production. For this we will use formula forecast divided by the average day production. So just enter. It is required only for few hours, so I'm going to increase like 1 lakh forecast because I need some days. So now it is showing 10 days for number of days are required, but networking days is 22. So just I put the capacity status here, because if capacity is less then it should be get automatically. Capacity status, here I am putting capacity status. If number of networking days is greater than number day of required production, then it will be so normal production, and if number of networking days is less than number of day required for production, then it will be so overloaded production. And just hit enter. Okay, now it is showing normal day production. Okay, meanwhile we can do the production because its forecast is less than our networking or number of networking days. So now I'm going to know. Here I already put in here net required days, and after that batch number quantity. What is the batch number? Batch number and batch number. After that batch number, and after that we will put column name is target quantity, and after that actual quantity, balance quantity, balance day for production, and here I will use the balance quantity products to be production. It will be automatically get based on the formula. Normal day batch number like 1, target quantity in a day, like average quantity is 10,000, so I put the target quantity is 11,000. 11,000. Actual quantity we have produced only 10,000. Balance quantity will be get forecast minus actual produced quantity. Then now it is showing 90,000 we have to produce. Balance day for production. For end date, for this we will use the function today. So now I'm going to apply formula. Here is the end date minus today. What is the today date? It will be get the end date. No, it is showing date, but I required how many days is pending for production. So let's put, we have 30 days from today. I mean, when I am recording this lecture, from this date 30 days is pending for this Mango Magic to 1 lakh production. So we can do the production because required date only is 10 days. Within 10 days we can deliver the production. Second, we have used for one more, and if production is getting overloaded, then how it will show. I am giving to example like Apple Spark forecast same, it is 1 lakh. Start date, it is like say like 1 August 2025, and end date is 30 August 2025. So networking days is 21. Number of days required formula. See, here it is showing value. Why? Because our formula is changed, because it is now showing based on the product. So how can do the formula with average production date? Because if you are having more than product, then it automatically getting this below of the one column to one column, because it automatically is decreasing. Like see, if we have we are dropping is we are scrolling it, then it is automatically all the column and row is changing. Like see, so how can do the freeze it? So click on this click on V4 and click on F4 and click on F4. Now it is freeze. You can drop down here. Yes, it is now solved. This issue has been closed. So now I'm going to see it is the normal production and it is also showing normal production. I'm going to decrease the forecast like 100. I'm going to decrease the date of int, like I'm going to, so it is only 10. Then it is showing overloaded production. Now net working days is 6 days, but number of days required 10 days. So it is showing overloaded. Now I'm going to give conditional formula here. Going to conditional formula, new rule, use formula determine, because we will put these color function, conditional function basis on the formula. So if net working days is greater than day of required production, then it will be so green. It will be so automatically green, and font will be bold and color will be white. So now it is showing, it have to show green. Oh no, it is overloaded, so I only need to show this one is green. If you are getting overloaded, then I need to show overloaded. So I'm going to put one more new rule, which is the determine the formula. If net working days is less than number of day, then it will show as red and font should be white and bold. Now put, but it is not so. So how can solve this issue? So just sit with me and keep watching. I selected this row and I am going to manage rules, and I have put two conditional formatting. So click on this and edit rule and just change this one and put OK. And for this also we have to change F6 and G6. Okay, we have to change this. Okay, and for this we have to change the freeze thing. Edit rule, dollar we have to change, it is showing the column, so for row, so we have to change freeze of row because I don't want to freeze it. So okay, apply. Okay, now so if you getting the overloaded, then it will be red, and if you are getting the less quantity of the net working days, so it is getting normally green. So for this I put one more product name like mixed fruit, and which forecast is 50,000. So I put 50,000, and here I put the start date, end date, number of days working, and here it is showing normal days because I did not drag the formula. Now I'm dragged the formula and it is automatically showing overloaded because I given only this one. I have to the equal to formula also put, or so it will be so normal, and as per the things you can update here formula. It is not big deal as per your requirement, but think if you getting the like 1 lakh forecast, so once you put the forecast and start date, then net working days will be automatically calculated, and basis on the net working days this capacity status will be shown automatically. We have to fill only networking day, start date, end date and forecast. Like I'm going to put random forecast rand between 1 lakh and 2 lakh. Here it is not allowing to put this column because it's required number of things. Okay. This formula between rand between, I use the rand formula, that's why it is showing incorrect. Rand between. Okay, now I click in and it is automatically overloaded. I am going to drag it for 39 and start date. I can also, it is dragging and it will automatically calculated with the increasing of 1 day, and it's also getting automatically calculated. So here it is showing days required for this one. So if I put some like 10,000, we can put the forecast, then it will be so normal. So it is automatically, once you clicking, I mean put the your forecast and end started, then it will be shown capacity status. If capacity status getting overloaded, then you can think how many days is going for overloaded. You can also calculate here basis on the like how many days going overloaded. You can put here how many day overloaded. So you can less your forecast basis on the number of day, like networking days is required 22. No, it is going okay. So I have to calculate for red one, like networking days is required 10, but working days is 6. So 4 days I guess we can use for this value, because once you click it, then random value will be automatically changed. So I have changed it, like if number of days required 17 but it is 60, so we can use like here you can full how many days overloaded. You can put the column name how many day overloaded. So here you can put the formula how many day overloaded. So here you can put one formula, if capacity planner is normal day, is S6 is equal to normal production then it put the 0, else it will be calculated number of day required minus this. Okay, like it is 0 because normal day, and overloaded day it will be calculated automatically. Okay, firstly we have to change this color white. It is automatically applied white, and color had to change white. Okay, it is not applicable, but it is also applied the formula of this conditional formatting, so leave it. I have changed it. Click on this and click on center value. I click on center value and put here and change the decimal. Okay, so change it. Okay, so this can be format. Okay, so here will be so 4 days, 11 days, 6 days is overloaded. That will be automatic populated. Okay, and you can put the formula here, conditional formatting here. If overloaded, conditional, new rule, cell value, cell based on their value. Okay, cell content value. If one day between 5 days, because we can manage 5 days, so if one day between the 5 days, then formula should be green, fill the green, otherwise it will be shown as red, otherwise it will be fill red. Okay, I will put the formula. One more, conditional formatting, new rule, content cell value, click on between 5 to 9,099, put the random value. So if more than 5 days, then it will be get red. Okay, no, it is the red, and if 0, then it will be shown as white. So it is also, we can put the conditional formatting, batch number, drop it. Now 1 minute, we can also use the batch number as random. So random between 1000 to 100, between 200. So okay, I get the batch number as random. Click on this and copy and paste as his value, and we will paste his value only, because once you click on, then it will be automatically changing. Target quantity, I want to target quantity, so for this I will put as, with the help of formula for target quantity, I want to from 11,000 to, sorry, I want to random, I want to target quantity between 10,000 and 11,000. So here is the 11,000. Okay, now it is, sorry, I put as 11,000 only, so we have to remove 10. Okay, now I have going to drop down, control plus Z, we have to click. I will paste here only value, because if we are using not value, then it will be changing automatically, because we use the function actual for production quantity. We will use actual production quantity also as random, and actual quantity should be between two numbers, and between two numbers. So first is the 9,000, and second is the 11,000, second is 10,000, 10,000 put here. What is going on? Random, we have to use random between, okay, put here. Yes, I got that value. Now I'm going, actually I'm using function, because if I'm putting one by one value, then it will be take some more time, so I am reducing my time period. So I'm putting with the help, I'm putting value with the help of formula, and balance will be calculated automatically. Okay, day of balance production, we can draw here. Okay, and we can use conditional formula here also. Conditional formatting, new rules, put on the content cell. If day is going negative from 1 -1 to -9999, put the highest value for possibility, then it will be shown red. If you're not getting minus, then we can change one date, like we can put the 2024. So here it is automatically change the balance in -323. Okay, I'm not going to put this value. So again, and this is the balance day of production, and if we are getting positive, then might be show as green. So new value, put the content rank list, ranked value, sorry, formats only serve for that content between 1 to max value, put here and fill the text only green, because too much color is also not going to show good impact. So I put the text. Okay, so it is the our balance day of production. Also we can get the efficiency percentage, efficiency. Okay, it is random value. Is that any? No, everything. Okay, this is I'm not copied and paste, so please, I pasted that value. So now good efficiency percentage, click on this, and based on actual product quantity, divide by the target quantity, and just drag it and click on the percentage. Okay, now getting the percentage of the drop down, percentage of the if. Now I'm going again putting the conditional formatting, new rules, format cell that contain between 80% 1% is between less than 80%, 1%, and if less than, okay, I will use here let's if less than 80%, then it will be so text is red, because we have to use 100%. So I'm going to put here. Okay, what happened? It is not applied. Okay, so might manage the rules. Okay, I have to change it because I used the percentage sign, so we can use the 80 here. Okay, applied. Okay, it is showing all is red, but I use only less than 80%. Okay, apply. Okay, cell value is less than, getting some error. Okay, I have to change this something. Okay, actual quantity is less into divide by the targeted quantity into 100. This is the predefined formula, this is the manual formula, so we can use the manual also. Okay, divide by 100, 89%, so we can use this. Okay, now we can use again, try to do between 1 to 30, Then text color will be text will red, bold and red. Is having some issue. What is the issue? I'm just trying to know it. Clear to manage rules. Okay. Cell value is okay. Edit rule. Cell value is less than 80%. 1%. It is not showing. Apply. Okay. Why it is not taking it? Top it to apply. Okay, again I'm changing it. Between less than greater than. Okay, greater than 90, then it will be put 9. Okay, apply. Okay, now I'm correcting. I know what is the issue. Less than 80, 800. Put red. Okay, it's getting red, but it is going below 100. Getting red because it is some issue with the formula. This 100 can also apply the formula. Okay, think there is some issue with this formula, so firstly we have to remove and again we have apply. What is the issue? Delete efficiency percentage actual quantity divided by target quantity. This is formula into 100. Okay, so 99%. So drop down it. Okay, now it is work properly. So condenser between less than 80 in the format. Text color will going to red and text will be bold. Okay, and it is not applied, but it is correct only, no? So below of it is not one. Okay, below of it is none of these. Okay, that's why it was not applied. Okay, correctly I got it point. Okay, now I think it will be also work. This was not is manage the formula. Okay, it is working correctly. Okay, but we have to put the formula below of 90, then it will be get red only. Apply. Okay, what is so? Okay, below 90 is something, below it is not done, but below 90 was there. So this is not issue, but we can also put the conditional formatting on that. Clear rules, efficiency, percentage, formatting, clear rules, selected cells. Okay, I am going to put new rules and 2 cell color and lowest percent value, percent minimum highest value is 100. highest value is 80. Okay, 89, it is automatically reflected. Highest value is, and here you can see manage your rules. I applied the rules. Edit rule, format cell based on their value, to cell is on data icon. No, actually I want just percentage 80%, then it will be shown this one what I explain here. And if it is the minimum value, then it's purely the percentage range. Select on percentage range. Okay, solvent value, error specific text, yesterday no course. Okay, stop it to. I'm going to create next one, efficiency percentage, because it's having some issue. Okay, leave it, delete this one. Efficiency percentage will be automatically efficiency percentage. Okay, curly bracket divided into multiply by 100. 99. Okay, less than 99, then new rule based on content value less than 90. Then text color should be red, bold and red. Okay, now it's getting correct. This is only less than 90. Okay, this is the efficiency percentage. It is our efficiency percentage. We can optimize it with these formulas. Okay, and if this footage, then it will be divided by this one, so we can use this divided or not. I'm going to check here. Okay, it automatically calculating. Okay, this will not work because percentage thing is, we can use another percentage formula for next video. This is the efficiency percentage. What is our efficiency percentage? It will be automatically reflect. So I'm going to inform you how many input field and how many output field. Okay, so just try to understand. Okay, first we have to close it. We have to create the table. Okay, now it's okay. Now I think all field is filled, so we can create the table. Okay, so for the we can use Control plus T. Okay, now creating the table. Table has been created. Same is showing here. So only input is, it is the drop down field. We can use the color for drop down. Okay, for drop down we could use the gray. Okay, and these are the only input field. For this we will use green. We will use this from this color, and it will be automatically freeze one. It will be automatically, it is automatically target quantity you have to fix, and actual quantity. These are fields should be these are should be a input field. So for this I have to copy or format this and just put on this. Okay, these are our input field. Everything will be automatically reflected. FFG, we can also create the pivot table. Once you selected this table, insert pivot, and you can also use in OK. Go for also recommended pivot, and here it is also showing efficiency percent, how much efficiency is this one, and some of the forecast, and also it is showing how many sum of balance days, and everything will be showing. Like I am using this one, it will show automatically efficiency percentage. Okay, we can optimize it. So for now we can close the video, and on next video we will capture soon. We are also going to use table for this and italic because it will be shown good. And here you can also put the logo, like with the help of image. Go and just put the word to like this, and here you can put your banner size optimized, like I have optimized my size of banner. Okay, use this one, this is the more attractive. Thank you so much for today, and next day we will capture next one. And for now I'm going to stop my video. Thank you so much, and I'm requesting for one thing, please raise your comment in your comment section so I can read your suggestions, and your suggestion is valuable for me, and this is my learning also. So just if you have anything for suggestion to me, so please I'm requesting to give the suggestion. Thank you so much.